Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Remax in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through my new listing at 724 Elysian over in Big Bear City. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are. 724 Elysian. 1 bed, 1 bath over in Big Bear City. Quiet neighborhood, quiet street. Neighboring property for sale. And this one they use as a short-term rental. Does extremely well. Mainly good for couples with small kids. We are on a 2,500 square foot lot today, and this one just got listed for $325. And then note we do have a concrete driveway and 2 car parking, possibly 3 if you pull one in tightly behind it. What's nice about it over here is you've got like a little privacy fence built out of these bushes right here. Very cute. So we're coming up onto the deck. Nice wood deck. Just great for sitting outside. And you're probably about 5-minute drive over to Von Snader Brothers, maybe 7-8 minutes to get to Bear Mountain and Snow Summit, and then about 10-minute drive maybe to the village of Big Bear Lake. So here we are coming right into the cabin. Just cute, cozy, really nicely decorated on the inside. We do have this laminate, beautiful color too. Flooring. We've got these nice shades with new dual pane windows inside. So this place will heat really, really efficiently. And this can come furnished if you wish. I'm gonna help this person out because it is not November 29th anymore. It is January. I don't know, does that go on top or bottom? January. Oh. 3. Nah. There you go. So got nice room for a big flat screen TV. Pretty much just everything that you would need. Let me get more light in here. And a cabin, you know. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, TV, Wi-Fi. You name it, it has it. So one thing to note, it's got this nice vintage fireplace right here, which is really cool. And I love some of the furniture in here. It's just really cute. So brick fireplace, different kind of brick backsplash, but just a standard build your own fireplace up in the mountain cabin. Nice tongue and groove ceilings. It is open into the bedroom as well. And then coming into the kitchen, we've got lights out. Just Formica countertops, but super clean, as well as the cabinetry. And the backsplash just being tile. And then here we are with the barn door. And the heater. This is a wall heater, so this is going to heat the whole house. Coming into the bedroom, we've got a queen size bed. You could probably get a king size in here too. Nice closet space. And into the bathroom, we've got tile, little built-in sink, nice tub. This is cast iron. This is pretty original to the cabin. And we go out back, and here we have just a nice little backyard, kind of like beautiful little tree lights, as well as a hot tub, like a 4-person hot tub. There you have it. 724 Elysian just hit the market for $325.